friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you mixed veg juice. Let's get started. To make mixed veg juice, I'm using few vegetables here. One carrot, one tomato, little beetroot and little cucumber have taken, and little ginger and half lemon, black salt and salt. Add all the vegetables in the mixer jar. If you have juicer, you can use it. I don't have juicer, so I'm using normal jar only. So add all the vegetables, little ginger and little, to enhance the flavor, I'm adding black salt. Add little salt, normal one, and squeeze the lemon. Half lemon I'm using here. Squeeze it, take out the juice. Yes, now you can close the lid and make a fine paste like this. Add little water, grind it and strain with it in a strainer. With the help of this, you can strain the juice. Take out all the juice and remove the pulps like this. Press it and remove all juice. Now you can see it's looking very colorful, red color, because we added a little only beetroot, but then too it's given a very good color. If you want, you can use honey, just little honey I'm going to add, because I don't want to add anything like that only, it will be fine. If you want, you can add sugar also. Now take the glass, add the ice cubes. Now pour the juice in the glasses. Wow, you can see very bright color. So you can serve it cold only. Now mixed veg juice is ready to serve. If you like my recipe, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Meet you in next video.